way to talk about maybe it's our children at this point, maybe it's us still, but menstrual cramps, because I know personally I fainted from it when I was younger.
Me too.
There we go. The things, the joys of women and what we have to put up with, absolutely hideous. Imagine fainting from menstrual cramps and men complaining about...
I used to be sick and then faint.
Yes! Yes! I've seen it, so it's not uncommon.
I don't know why I'm laughing, it was not funny
it was
at the
not
time.
funny, and usually it was at school, right, in front of people. Awful. So, what would you recommend for that? So we can then pass this on to all the other women we know who are suffering.
The easiest thing is to go for the Clary Calm, which is the blend, the monthly blend for women, because it's pre-blended with the oils that are all good for balancing hormones. So it's got in it clary sage, bergamot, lavender, Roman chamomile and a whole host of others. How would I use it? So when we're getting the symptoms of cramps, you literally take the lid off. What you will need to do with this one, because it's not pre-diluted, is actually separate it into 3 bottles and then add some coconut oil to dilute it, because you don't really want to put this one on neat because it's very, very, very powerful. Put a little bit on your wrist. It's okay, a drop on your wrist, but you can see how much comes out. That's pure oil, and so if you're putting loads and rubbing it on your tummy, you're going to be putting like 10 drops. It's too much.
Okay.
It would flood you. Or what you could do is you can just rub a little bit onto your hand, add a bit of carrier oil, fractionated coconut oil is the best, or almond oil, any carrier oil, and then just rub it over the area that's hurting. Yeah. And then the other thing that you might want to do is rub some, and then rub your hands together and inhale it, get it into your respiratory system as well. But you want to get it directly onto the area that is in pain, because that's...
Yeah. And it's hundreds of hot water bottles later, but you can do that, and it's brilliant.
Yeah, and it can work really, really quickly.
Fantastic. So that's one to pass on to your children, maybe.